Assalamu alaikum. How are you all, my YouTube family? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Warda's Cuisine. If you're new on this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos with your family and friends. Today, we're going to start with the new recipe of pea pulao. Let's make it together. 1 medium size onion, 1 tomato. Chop the tomato. Next step is after chopping the tomato, we have to slice the onion, light it golden brown. Now add the tomato in it and using 3 tablespoons of oil, golden brown the onion, add the chopped tomato at this point. Stir the spoon, add half cup of water and stir the spoon like this. So tomato will turn mushy. One tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. 1 tablespoon of salt. You can add the salt according to your taste. 1 chicken stock, 1 cube of chicken stock, crush it and add it to the mixture. Bay leaf and some black pepper. Add half cup of water at this point. Add 1 cup of pea. Mix it very well. Cook it on high flame. Again add 1 cup of water. Stir the spoon, cook it, let the tomato mushy. Now add 2 cups of water. Cover it with the lid for 10 minutes. Now take half kg rice. Wash it and soak it for at least 1 hour. Now at this point, add the rice into the gravy that we made it on high flame. Mix the rice with the gravy. You can see the quantity of the water. I use here 2 cups of water. Now let the rice boil in it. Now you can see the rice absorbed all water. So rice is not yet cooked, so I add half cup of water again. Now rice absorb all the water. At this point, cover it with the lid for at least 10 minutes. And again, 2 tablespoons of water and cover it with the lid for at least 20 minutes. Now you can see pea pulao is ready to eat. You can serve it with the raita, chutney,